Okay, we're here working on our Alcort Super Sailfish ZSA. The Alcort Standard Sailfish. Here's Winnie, 11 feet 7 inches. And then they stretched it out to 13 feet 7 inches for a Super Sailfish with a flat deck. And then the 13 feet 7 inch Alcort boat with cockpit is wooden sunfish. So Super Sailfish is 13.7. The fiberglass model is a Super Sailfish Mark II. So what we're doing today is we've gone along. This is the mast step here. You can see the little block there. It's got a circle in it. Mast goes in. We're going along on the inside of the boat and sealing up all these seams with some thickened epoxy adhesive called Thixo from Total Boat. So we've got all the seams on the mast step. Back here is the dagger board trunk, getting them from the inside of the boat. We'll also go inside the trunk and get them from the outside of the boat. And then we're going along the inside of the deck edge seam, putting a thin bead of Thixo there, and then using our highly calibrated finger to put a little fillet on it. So Thixo comes, it's two parts inside this tube. There's a resin and a hardener, and when you squeeze it, it goes through this magic little mixing tube. It comes out the end all mixed together. It's thickened, and by thickened, it's you brush it on. It's not like a liquid. It's a thickened adhesive that'll stick to the sides of things and not sag and run. So we'll just come along the seam there, come back with the highly calibrated finger with just light pressure and work it into the seam. The thing we're doing with it is going along and filling in bigger holes and voids on this keel. Got a few where there's a little bit of rot, so we're going to fill that in. Got some old screw holes like that one right there. Just fill a little bit in. See, there's a few others that I've done along the way here. There's one right there. This keel had a little split down the middle, and we thought about pulling the whole thing out and replacing it, but here about 3 feet back it gets to be in really good shape. It's most likely oak. So to find a nice piece of oak that long, you need some preferably white oak that's rot resistant. Could get to be a challenge, so we decided just to save it and repair it. So we'll go down the end here. Here's all the little nail holes from where the hull was nailed down. Go through the little squirt just to kind of make sure we don't give a new spot for water collect, rot to grow as we put the new keel back on. There's a little divot here. I think it came from where there was some rot before. So we're just going to fill it in a little bit. Take it. Run over it lightly with the paint stick. We're using this angle here that the plank's going to lay. And you just go down between the edge of the boat and the keel there. There's a piece of plywood that's going to lay on that. So we'll just go in and knock down the tops of those so we don't have to do much sanding. And the boat will be ready for paint pretty soon. So that's I wanted to talk to you quickly about the Thixo, how it works, so you can see how it comes out of the tube, how it's applied, and we'll get you another update soon.